If you're planning to purchase property in Greece, especially to qualify for the Golden Visa, decoding the property purchase transfer tax is not optional. It is essential. In Greece, the standard property purchase transfer tax is 3.09%. Here's what you need to understand. That percentage applies to the higher of two values: the objective value of the property, which is determined by the state, or the actual purchase price, the commercial value. Whichever number is higher, that's what your tax is based on. For example, for a property worth 250,000 euros, the tax would come out to 7,725 euros. This dual valuation is designed to ensure the state collects as much revenue as possible. Beyond this 3.09%, you'll need to budget for other expenses, and they add up. Expect to pay an additional 9 to 10% of the property value on top of the purchase price. These include the deed transfer fee, the lawyer's fee, the notary fee, and the real estate agent's commission. Now, when you combine everything, of course, your actual investment will be well above the property price itself. So plan accordingly, especially if you're targeting the minimum threshold for residency. Now, here's where it gets very specific and very important as well. Greece currently does not allow direct international payments for the property purchase transfer tax. So how do you pay? You must pay through a trusted intermediary in Greece. This could be your notary, your lawyer, or a trusted friend acting on your behalf. Never let the seller pay the tax for you. Why? Because if they can't prove that you transferred the funds for that tax, it may look like the seller gave you a discount, which could bring your investment below the 250,000 euro minimum. And that could jeopardize your residency permit. If the payment isn't traceable to you, it might cause problems with your permit. So let's recap what matters most. The real estate purchase transfer tax in Greece is 3.09%, calculated on the higher of two values. You will need to budget another 9 to 10% for legal and administrative costs. Always pay the tax through a trusted intermediary, never through the seller. Keep your payment transparent and traceable to avoid Golden Visa complications. And always verify costs and procedures with professionals who specialize in the Greek system.